And welcome to the channel where we make statistics simple and easy. So when we talk about independent t-test is whereby uh, we have more than one group, whereby we want to see is there a significant difference between two groups. But remember, these two groups are totally independent. They have nothing similar to both of them. Like here now we have in this data we have the weight of a of a of an animal, whereby we want to see if you raise this animal at the highland and you raise it at the lowland, where are you going to get the highest weight, or where is it going to reach its highest weight? So you're going to analyze and then go to compare means, and then because it's an independent sample, you can see that these sites are totally different. So, and then you go to the site here, and then you need to define your groups. So we group one, we had already coded it as one. Then group two, we had coded it as two. Why am I saying two? So if I can cancel here, if you go to this variable site, I'd already coded it one as highland, two as lowland. So in the event if you had not coded it, you're going to put in terms of you're going to use the quotation marks. But in this case, we had already coded it. So go back to compare and then independent sample test site here, and then group we had one which was representing highland, and two which is representing lowland. And then of course our test variable is weight, and then you put it there, and then you click OK. So once you click OK here, first thing first is the Levin's test. This test tells if our one of the uh, one of the assumptions, one of the assumptions for independent t-test is that these groups should have an equal variance, homogeneity in variance. So this test here, assuming equal variances, so you can see it is not significant. So our null hypothesis is that the groups, both groups have equal variances. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis and say we say they have both groups have equal variances. So we can proceed and use our t-test here. So our t-test here, it is significant, telling us that there was a significant difference between these two. That is, the highland recorded the highest weight compared to the lowland. If it was not significant, we could have used the lower one, and but in this case you can see that the answers, the results here are the same. But if it could not be the same, we could get some slightly different answers here, even if it was significant. So that is how to perform an independent t-test in SPSS. Thank you, and remember to subscribe.